Hola amigos, soy Ruth. That means, hello friends, I'm Ruth. I've put together un curso de español, a Spanish course, basado en Duolingo. La idea, the idea, is to give you explanations, explicaciones of la gramática, rules for la pronunciación. And I'm going to use español that you already know en contexto, en un contexto real, in a real context, so that you can understand it and you can see how to use el español that you learn, that you study, que tú estudias en Duolingo, and how to use that in a practical way. I have made un curso that follows each class. So in section 1 of Duolingo you have lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. Well, my videos accompany each one of those lessons, and then section 2, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. It might be about talking about travel, it might be about talking about school. For every one de mis clases, mis video clases, hay una lista de vocabulario, a list of vocabulary, and notes, notas, that you can download, que puedes descargar, that you can download for free, and there's a link in every video description for those free downloads. I want people to use Duolingo because I think it's great. Es fantástico. La idea is to support learning for everybody and to make it free, and for those of you who can pay, you pay so that you so. It's a lovely model. It's a subsidy for free education for people all around el mundo. It's a wonderful program. I just want to make it un poquito más effective, okay? So if you think that sounds like something that you would like to continue using Duolingo, but to know that you're really learning el español in a way that you are able to use, well, click on this playlist and save it for the future so that you can go through lesson by lesson as you progress through Duolingo. Muchas gracias por tu atención. Y hasta muy pronto, until very soon. Hasta pronto.